Alright, so it's a bit busy now. Everyone's coming across. Dad's here, and what I've done so far is I've put extra moisture in there. Don't know if I can say the word on YouTube, but
It's red wine.
it's a red wine. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon 2018 vintage, like that's old. Just glug that in there. And then obviously, if you know anything about making food and meats, we have some Kikkoman soy sauce, less sodium, because that's the only thing that's left in the shops. That goes in there. And I took some of this lager and I just did that into it just to keep it moist, hydrated. And now I've got some little lamb sausages that I'm just dumping in there as well. And I'm missing one, but that works. Just some lamb sausages to just add to the moisture and the flavor and texture. And then we've got some potatoes and butternuts,
Pumpkin, yes.
pumpkin, with some water. Dump that in there, and this is going to,
Because obviously the potatoes need a lot more moisture to cook in.
yes, and yeah, so that is basically the start of something great. We've been having some Wi-Fi troubles, so we will get back to you as soon as we can.